My friend Eric and I are going on a road trip through Europe to meet up with some of the best pitmasters and discover hidden food treasures. In this episode we are experiencing goat violin in Italy, fly fishing in Slovenia and grilling on top of the highest mountain in Austria.
How about this? Italy.
Yeah.
The top part of Lake Como is shaped like an epsilon flipped upside down.
Yeah.
Is it blowing the horn in the background?
Yeah. Nice, right?
Goat farm, huh?
Let's check out some goats, right?
This is where they do the breeding of the goats. They say they got the most beautiful waterfall in all of Italy right behind us here. And you can actually see the Alps. I'm looking at snow. I mean, check out snow on the caps. I think we're gonna have lunch here as well.
Yeah.
So it should be fun.
What's up, guys? Hey, hi guys. Welcome in Italy.
Hey,
welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
How are
Good
you?
to see you. So, let's go see some goats?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
On this beautiful agri-turistica called Agua Fraktur, they are well known for their beautiful goat cheese. But we've come here for something incredible called the goat violin.
Oh, going down in the dungeon. Oh, yeah.
Mario the farmer is showing us where he stores the finished products.
Yeah, look at this. That one's really got some growth on the outside.
Looks like a violin, huh?
Yeah, and you can feel the humidity in this room too. Hey, that's beautiful. That's the violin. Now this is something that is shared between friends. We're hearing Marco say.
Exactly.
So this isn't something we sell here in Italy,
no, it's
right?
not commercial. It's not commercial. It's made from friend to friends.
To find out how these goat legs are turned into a beautiful prosciutto, Mario takes us to his friend that actually cures and dries the legs.
These are the violins goat and after the smoke step. And in this fridge we can find violins, bresaola and salami at 17-16 degrees. And the meat is ready when it's completely, totally white. The butcher now is trying if the meat, if the bresaola or the goat's violin is ready, only using a horse bone.
It would be an insult not to try each and every one of his delicious products.
Grazie mille.
Ciao,
Grazie
grazie.
mille.
Ciao, grazie. Ciao.
After all this tasting, we became hungry, and Mario took us to his grotto for more tasting, and of course, the fine Italian wine.
Cheers. Viva.
It's time to fire up the Joe Jr. and show our new Italian friends our appreciation for showing us all the hidden treasures of the Italian Alps.
In 100 years' time, everybody is doing it this way. The same way we've been doing it for a long, long time. Sustainable way, local food for the local people. That's it. Next up, Slovenia, right?
Slovenia, fly fishing in the river. Yeah.
Cheers.
Hopefully we don't get skunked like we got skunked in South France.
Yeah, that would be horrible.
I bet I catch a big fish anyway. You know, I'll show you how.
Let's see.
With our bellies filled up and our heads still pounding, we leave our Italian friends behind and travel to Slovenia. Overwhelmed by the beautiful scenery surrounding the river Soce, we start fly fishing and hope to catch our first ingredients of the day.
The current itself acts like a conveyor belt of food, and they'll be somewhere close to the current, but not in too quick water because they'll be wasting too much energy. That's why we're always looking at the smaller, slower areas of the river more than the really quick water. And also they like rocks, they like structure. So we see it there on the far side, everything black there, that's all rocks. That will hold fish, and then basically from when we're standing down, we won't even focus too much on the upper part. It's too flat, it's too open.
That's an amazing river, right? And the backdrop with these mountains, it's just insane.
I've never been anywhere like this.
Nah, it's like you're standing and you only hear the river.
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's being in the moment.
Fly fishing in that river, I mean, it's got that glacier blue-green look to it, and you just boom, boom, boom. We got put right on those great trout.
Yeah, they're big.
Yeah. Yeah, they're massive. I can't wait to grill those babies up, and I know we've got some other stuff going on the grill too.
Oh yeah, we are going to get a traditional Slovenian recipe, so we gotta go, man.
We are driving further into the mountains. Slovenia is truly a beautiful country. Up on the mountain, Chef Matej will introduce us to Slovenian home cooking.
We'll be making slow roasted pork ribs, a little bit different. The main difference is that we cut it a little bit thicker. We leave the pork belly on, and we don't do the usual spare ribs. And for the sides, we'll be making roasted potatoes on pig fat or lard and onions, and that's it. The combination is really traditional, and it's gonna taste awesome. So we're gonna put the ribs on the tray. We'll catch all the fat. We'll put some water in it and make gravy after. I get most of the inspiration from my mother. She's like the ultimate home cook. When I was growing up, we were eating like kings. So in Slovenia, it's common to use a grill or a barbecue only for picnics. But my goal is to teach and let the people know that grill or barbecue is an outdoor kitchen. You can do everything on it. In Slovenia, we don't have the tradition of barbecue. All we have is grilling on open fire and grilling some simple stuff like minced meat, pork ribs or pork neck. So what barbecue means to me is a way to let some steam out, to enjoy, to have fun with friends. I have a saying, where there is good food, there are good people. I like to do this culinary stuff. I enjoy it. It's just the way my grandmother makes it. So we have pork ribs, pork sausage called pečenica. We have cooked sauerkraut and roasted potatoes over pig's fat and onions.
And we love Slovenia, man. This is like a great country. It's fantastic. People need to go here. They need to experience this.
As a new day dawns, we jump back in our Wagoneer and drive to Austria for our last day on this epic road trip. We are setting course for the highest mountain in Austria, where we plan to grill our last meal on the KamadoJoe.
Wow, fantastic ride. Who would have believed you and me are grilling on the Großglockner, highest mountain in all of Austria. What was it, 3,900 something?
Yeah.
Really high. Permanent snow, glacier water. That's a good finish for a road trip right there.
What do we got left?
Well, we brought some beautiful steak from Slovenia. Nice marbling, looks absolutely gorgeous. We got some pork fat that we can grill up, tomatoes, some sausage.
I think that'll do. Listen to that sizzle.
This is gonna be good.
See, the fire's even affected by the altitude.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that.
Flare up. Let's get the sausage in as well. Why not throw the tomatoes in at the same time?
Yeah, roast them on.
While grilling the ingredients that we collected in the last couple of days, we reminisce about our KamadoJoe road trip.
Nice.
Dude, look how the sun is catching that mountain right now.
It's a beautiful thing.
All that snow. All right, let's flip that steak.
Good. Looking good.
Oh man, look at all those cracklings. It just seared right into the surface of that thing. This is the last cook.
Last cook. Smells good.
That's it.
Wow.
Coming off. What's up, team?
Hi.
Hey, check it out.
Guck mal.
Wait. That's good.
You guys want to try some? We're slicing it
Yeah.
up.
You hungry?
Yes.
Please.
Turns out these guys spent the last 2 days on the mountain and they were really hungry. What a way to help them celebrate a friend's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. It's like we're here for you. This is fantastic. Yeah. Hey!
Hey! 7 days, 7 countries. We did it.
We did it.
We're going home. Seeing the wife and kids again, right?
Yeah. This was fantastic.
Thank you very much, Eric.
Thank you.
I had a lot of fun.
Well, this was, I'll never forget this for the rest of my life.
Me neither, that's for sure. Sure you want to leave?
You know, we gotta put together the next trip.
Yeah. What's gonna top this?
I have an idea.